Hello everyone, this is Yaviji Trader. In this video, we will be discussing the strategy that everyone loves for mobile trading. Many people have written to me about it in private messages on Telegram, and a subscriber wrote to me that it is possible to further increase the transaction success rate with this strategy. So now I will tell you about the improved version of this strategy. I will be recording the trading in live video mode, as many think that I am trading on some fake pocket option. Before we start, I want to remind you that there is a free deposit boost for beginners starting from $20 on my Telegram channel, where I share trades openly. There is also a cool trading robot. The link to my channel is in the description below the video. Well, let's continue. Let's set up our platform for work. The first thing we do is set the chart type to candlesticks. Set the interval to 1 minute. Set the trade time to match the interval, i.e., also 1 minute. We should not forget to adhere to money management. For my balance, I will set the position size to $60, and I will also change it to $60 on the computer. The first thing we will need to work with is an indicator called fractal. As practice has shown, it provides good signals for opening trades. It's time to explain the essence of the strategy itself. I will demonstrate how to work with it on a computer. The fractal indicator. How does it work? If we see a green triangle above the candle, it means the chart will go down. Conversely, if we see a red triangle below the candle, it means the chart is expected to go up. Remember, now let's talk about the most important part of our strategy. We will determine the trend direction on the chart. To work, we need to see 3 candles of the same color, and as soon as the 4th candle appears, we will immediately open a trade. This means that if we see 3 candles of the same color, either up or down, and there is a fractal indicator indicating the right direction, we can open a trade. Be sure to watch the video until the end. I think there will be moments where I will talk about situations when it is better not to open trades with this strategy, even though all the factors suggest that it is possible to enter a position. Here, the fractal indicates an upward movement. We see 3 candles, and if we had opened a trade on the 4th candle, we would have closed the position in profit. We will look for trades on the phone, and we will open them on the computer for clarity, but we won't analyze anything, because this is a strategy for trading from the phone. Let me speed up the video while I search for a good entry point or situation. I found an interesting position. The chart bounced off the resistance level. I will open it on my computer to wait for the 3rd green candle to finish. I also found a good trade in theory for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. I will speed up the video for efficiency. The trading pair is the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. The fractal indicator indicates an increase. 3 candles almost closed in green. We wait for the 3rd candle to finish, and then I open a buy trade. I opened the trade as soon as the 4th candle appeared. Now we wait for the result. The trade closed in profit. While I was waiting for the result, I found another one on the euro-dollar OTC. I opened it on my phone. The situation is similar. Only this time it's a downward trend. I will bring it up on the computer and we will see the result. Unfortunately, the trade will close at a loss, but it's not a big deal. The New Zealand dollar has been paired on the phone. The US dollar is in a bullish situation. I will open a trade for $120. I think the coverage should work out successfully. Let's wait for the trading results. Great. I got my money back and even made a profit. The strategy works excellently. On pocket option, 1 to 2 overlaps are normal. Dollar and Philippine peso. While I was commenting on the previous trade, I opened a trade for this pair to go up. We see a good bounce from the resistance level. We are waiting for the result. Another loss. Recently, I've noticed that the market has been quite volatile, especially with the ATS assets. I think I will stop trading them in the near future. I just want to show in the video that the strategy works. And to do this without cuts, I have to trade with an automated trading system, ATS, because the necessary conditions for opening trades on regular trading assets may not be present. And because of this, I simply won't be able to record the video. Euro New Zealand dollar ATS. We see a good bounce from the resistance level. 3 candles are moving down. The fractal also indicates a decline. I opened a trade with overlap to recover the previous one. Let's wait for the result. The overlap worked successfully. I think we traded excellently today. What can I say? If there are no trades where a stronger trend is present and there are 4 consecutive candles, then this strategy option can also be used. Thank you all and happy trading.